Hey guys, and how's it going? I don't know if this is part of that snow system we had last week that came through here and we got a lot of snow from it. I made some videos of, but this is a snow system. We got about 2 to 4 inches of snow on the ground right now. I got a brother and he goes to school, he rides the bus. So I don't know if there's gonna be school tomorrow or not. I guess we're gonna see. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and plow the driveway. It's 8 or 9 at night. I should wait until tomorrow. The snow is coming down, but I want to get that done now because I know I'm not going to be up that time in the morning to get it done. So I figured we could go on ahead and do that now. Get some of the driveway plowed so that way there's a path. Then in the morning we'll come back out once all the snow's done falling and get it off the pad. I made some paths from the buildings into the house. That way I don't have to go through all this snow. So, I don't know, I just kind of made them because I wanted to, so I did. So I put you guys in the stand because it's starting to come down a little bit harder. And I'm going to grab the 216 and we're going to bring it out here and clean this up. I'd use the 73, but the 216's got that rubber blade and it seems to do a lot better scraping snow off the rocks than the 73 because that metal cutting edge likes to pull the rocks out, whereas the rubber edge likes to scrape. So let me grab that here quick. Once I do that, we'll get going. A lot of people really seem to like these snow removal videos, so I thought I'd continue with them. This will be the first start of the 216 in a couple days. Let's see how it starts. Battery warm up for a second. You know it's a proper snowstorm when snow's coming in through your closed door. It's always a good idea to have 2 snowplow rigs, because when one decides it doesn't want to do what you want, you got another one you can take out and feed on. Shut the camera off last night because we got some freezing rain on top of snow, and then this morning it started snowing again. So it's frozen rain, or snow, frozen rain, more snow. And as you can see, it's not doing very good. Can't get no traction with 216. Keep in mind it's got no weight on the turf tires. So this is what we've got. There's about, I want to say 5 inches of snow on the ground right now, on top of freezing rain, on top of more snow. So this should be pretty interesting. I'm gonna try not to have to pull the bobcat out. If I do, then I've given up. So gonna back 216 up, shut it off, let the 73 warm up. Then once the 73 is warmed up, see, I can stand on top of the snow. So let this guy warm up, then we'll take him, do some plowing. Let's try again. That was pointless. I don't want to do it, but I guess it's time to wake up Bob. She's not going to be real thrilled. Name off some states in the United States that don't get this white powdery crap all the time. Maybe you'll end up seeing me there one day. Ohio's just not doing it for me. Look at how deep that snow is. That's pretty deep. I'm not going to try starting the bobcat up. I'm just going to jump it right off because I know it's not going to start. smells like it's burning. Plan is now I'm going to take the T16 out. We're going to clean the driveway up a little bit since we've bobcatted everything. Snowplowed everything with the bobcat. We're going to clean that all up a little bit, make it look a lot nicer, because there is still quite a bit of snow out there. And then once I do that, we should be good to go. So let's do that. So I know that we were just snow plowing and the camera battery had died on me, or the camera was dying, so I said I'll bring you guys back once the battery's charged. Well, it's about an hour later. I kind of got tired of waiting on the battery to charge, so I said forget it, I'm just going to do it myself. And it takes a long time when I'm recording because I got to keep moving the camera. So I decided I would just go on ahead and get this done. The whole driveway is done. I don't think there's anything that needs to be done, so let's just go take a look at it here quick and see if there's anything still that we can film. You can see I did this out here in front of the shop. I haven't salted it yet. I also did the neighbor's driveway here. Over here. We also did that. Everything is done. I could still touch it up with the T16, but it wasn't getting too good a traction. I added weight to the T16, by the way. You guys really didn't miss much, so I thought I'm just gonna go on ahead and finish this. You guys, I've done plenty of snow plowing, and I'm sure this video is gonna be a pretty long one already, because I did get some footage from last night. So that's where we're at right now. So I think that is it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't as festive as the other videos usually are. We ended up pulling the bobcat out and finishing things off, but we got it done at least. Was having some trouble with the 73 and the T16 both, so I had the bobcat, so I thought I might as well pull it out and use it. Got some pretty cool video of it, I hope. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me show you guys how much weight I added to the T16. You can see, and I put more straps on it to hold it up. So, alright guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Take care. A little bit of an update on the Sears for you guys. As you can see, my brother went ahead and started painting it after being told countless times not to do it right now because it's too cold out. So he'll learn in the summer, I can guarantee it. And then also a little bit of an update for you guys on the patio. It is still here. I have not sold it. I know there's been some controversy going around. Some people thinking I sold it. Some people thinking I traded it off. I didn't. I still have it. It's still here. Plan is in the summer I am going to get back into it and start working on it again. I think it has been too long since the last time I worked on it. So here in the summer I got that 10-horse engine up in the front we pulled out of the 68. We're going to put that motor in this. I also have another engine. It's a 12-horse Kohler. I recently acquired it. The problem with it is the rod blew out at some point. Somebody was using it and it blew the rod. So didn't go through the block. It just kind of shattered into 100 pieces. Didn't ruin the engine, didn't ruin the block. So it did a little bit of damage to the crank. We might have to touch that up a little bit, but we're going to... I don't know what I'm going to do with that motor. We might try and get it running again. We might not. We'll probably just end up using the 10-horse. I think the 10-horse needs a head gasket and rings, and I think that's all it needs, but we're going to put it on here and try to use it. The engine does okay if you don't try to overwork it, and I think the carburetor that I had on it was part of the reason why it was having so many problems. So, just so you guys know, here's the patio. I still have it. I haven't sold it. I haven't gotten rid of it. So I just figured I'd let you guys know. And that is the end of the video. I know I've said that I don't like talking about this, and I don't like asking for views and subscribers. But recently I've noticed that when I talk about it, subscribers go up. We've gone up to 300 subscribers, and I really want to thank you guys. 87%, I think 85% of you guys who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please consider hitting that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me, and it would help this channel get around. It would help people see my videos. Maybe somebody's looking for a series such as this, and they want to see some videos on it, or I don't know, tractors, patios, you name it, I have it. So if you know somebody who likes these type of videos, share me around, let them know I exist, and it would really help me out a lot. I hate asking for subscribers like that, but we've gone up to 300 subscribers. I gained 200 subscribers after I started talking about that. I was at 100 subscribers when I started saying the percentage of people subscribed and how many people watch the videos and aren't subscribed. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Please make sure that you are subscribed if you like the channel. You don't have to if you don't want to, but if you like the channel, you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps me out. It tells YouTube that I exist and I do a good job at making videos. I really don't, but okay, take care.